How would you describe our learning experience of Workx?
Valuable. I believe it's been a fantastic experience. It was more practical and theoretical, not just a bookish learning experience, but most importantly, we meet a lot of colleagues from the HR space. So a lot of cross learnings happen, and I believe these learnings can be implemented. I'm sure that we could go a long way.
What any specific moment or session that was particularly standing out for you?
Yeah, so we had this performance management discussion with Mr. Yogesh, the founder. So that was a fantastic, session. I wouldn't forget personally in my whole career. You could literally break down your performance management module in just 5 minutes, and then Yogesh did it. So something that takes 8 months to a year to learn, in 5 minutes, you've got somebody teaching us that, and we've learned it faster.
What would you tell somebody who is doubting to join Workx?
I mean, most importantly, it's important for your own career. You don't have to do it because someone else is doing it, or probably I'm telling it. I believe rather there are a lot of organizations which does offer coaching, training, got CIPD, a lot of other organizations. The difference that Workx brings is your personal, experience will be much better because you have a much more focused learning here rather than a very widespread, vague learning experience. Though it might be online, it's more focused. And you have Mr. Yogesh, you have a lot of colleagues, within Workx you can reach out to, and they've been in the market for quite some time. They do a lot of corporate training programs. I am not branding Workx, I'm branding my own learning experience. So it's a fantastic place to learn. All the best.